Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to introduce you to ProfessorCatCoinOfficial.com. We have various options in the header section like video and then premium membership, notifications, login, sign up and other options as well. The next 100x meme coin going to moon very soon. Join it before it's too late. Welcome to Professor Cat, the smartest meme coin in crypto. Join the revolution where intelligence meets memes. Don't miss your chance at the next 100% opportunity, 100x opportunity. You can join the pre-sale by just clicking on join pre-sale now. Other than that, we have learn more option. You can read the total below by just clicking on learn more. Right? Much smart, very gains. Wow. Just like a wow. Launch countdown, price increase every 5 days. There are 42 days, 13 hours, 35 minutes, and 45 seconds left in the launch. The countdown to the biggest meme coin launch is on. Price increase every 5 days, so it's a very good opportunity for all of you to join this amazing opportunity. Join the pre-sale right now. Pre-sale progress help us reach our 1 million goal. 29.71711 every purchase bring us closer to revolutionizing the meme coin space. Buy Professor Cat coin, purchase PCC tokens instantly with Sol, USDC or USDT. Current price is 0.001 USD. Next price increase in 3 days, the price will be 0.002 USD. Like if you purchase it for 100 USD now, it will be for 200 USD in the next 3 days. Price increase every 5 days until launch. Buy now before the next increase. 1 week after pre-sale ends, the launch price will be 0.015 USD. Here is the contract address for Solana, and then we have USDC and USDT as well. Like we want to spend 1 Solana, we will pay 1 Solana and we'll get 142k and 600 PCC. Connect your wallet and buy Professor Cat coin official right now. Rather than that, meet Profession Cat. Professor Cat is the next big meme coin destined to overtake Peep and Shiba Inu. With its charming cat mascot and revolutionary community, PCC combines humor with serious gains. Join the crypto universe where meet, money, and fun meets fortune. Revolutionary, market leader, community first, massive reach, secure and safe, high rewards like early adopter benefits and staking rewards for maximum gains, audited smart contracts and transparent operations for peace of mind. Rather than that, we have expanding to more DEX. This coin will be launching on more decentralized exchanges soon. Stay tuned for listing on major platforms to increase liquidity and accessibility for the entire community. Get ready for the liftoff. Professor Catcoin will be launching on centralized exchanges CEX. Get ready for easy access, maximum liquidity, and seamless trading. Coming soon, long-term vision, more coming, and Ridium launch. This coin will be launching on Ridium platform. Be among the first to join the Professor Cat revolution. Support our mission, help us grow the Professor Cat coin ecosystem. Every donation makes a difference. Total donation raised are $4. Thank you for your donations. You can select your payment method like USDC, USDT, or Solana to donate. Join the revolution, connect with thousands of Professor Cat enthusiasts, stay updated with the latest news, announcements, and dank memes. You can join us on Twitter, Telegram, as well as on Discord server to get latest updates about Professor Cat Coin Official. Here are the tokenomics like marketing 40%, development 26%, liquidity 20%, DEV is 14%. We have four tokenomics right here: 40% plus 20%, 86%, and then we have 14% DEVs, right? Professor Cat Coin, the next big meme coin revolution, right? We have our Twitter right here. You can see Professor Cat PCC. Join now to get latest updates about Professor Cat. We have Telegram group chat right here, Professor Cat Coin. You can join our Telegram group chat as well to get latest updates about it. We have Discord server right here. It's loading. It will take a minute or two. You can join our Discord as well to get latest coin about it. Next, click sign up. If you want to sign up on it, click sign up, enter your username, select your password. I am going to enter my password. Click sign up. It's way too easy, way too simple. We have, right? You can also post on this Professor Cat community, like Professor Catcoin owner posted a post. You can post your thoughts right here. Now we can log in it From here, logging in. Our account is logged in. Way too easy, way too simple. Join the Professor Cat right now. Join the pre-sale now. If you want to purchase it, select your amount, connect your wallet, and it's done. You are done with it. Our Discord is loaded. Professor Catcoin server. You can join our Professor Catcoin server on Discord as well to get latest updates about it. Way too easy, way too simple. Join before it's too late. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.